up guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy new year to everyone. I know it's like 3 weeks in, but it is what it is. I am back with another video. Today we are going to recreate this look. We are going to be using all the TikTok makeup. TikTok has me in a chokehold because I'm telling you, all my money is just going to TikTok shop. You get a lot of like discount codes, you get free shipping, you get a lot of different coupons that you can use. So make sure you check it out if you don't have it. So I'm going to be using like all the makeup that I've been using for the last like 2 to 3 months that been going viral on TikTok. So let's recreate this look. Also make sure that you follow me on TikTok and on all the other social medias. I'll have it like up here so you guys can follow me anytime you want. If you want to buy some of the products, I already list them on my get readies on my TikTok, so you guys can always just press on the little yellow box and just buy it from there. Yeah, with no further ado, let's just get into the video. So guys, for this look we are going to start off with the Weleda Skin Food. I'm telling you, this gives me literally the moisturized levels that I need for my skin. Even though now it's very cold and gloomy, you know when you need that extra hydration for your skin, this is what you need, because look at the way it's making my skin like glow. After I put that all over my, look at this glow, because I literally can go out like this. But anyway, we're gonna go in with the, I can never say the name correctly, Emberlise cream. This one was good. It was doing rounds on TikTok, I'm telling you. Like, it's like a primer kind of cream. I don't know if I got the right one, because this one is a bit more runny. A lot of people on TikTok were saying the runny one is fake. So I don't know if it is or not, but I'm telling you, every time I wear this, I can see a difference in my... Oh, a little bit too much. But anyway, I always see some sort of difference in my makeup. And I feel like it's this product. So the primer we are going to go in with is the one by the Beauty Crop. I'm telling you, this one is the Cocoa Gold Perfecting Primer. This one had me in a chokehold for so long that I had to buy like a restock, because I'm telling you, the way it hides my pores and everything is, and it's like a oily consistency, but I'm telling you, the way it blurs out my skin, I understand why it was one of the most popular TikTok buys, because I'm obsessed. So for my brows, I'm gonna go in with this brow soap by the WB & Co. Then I'm gonna have to go in with the Wonder Whip by Pink Honey, and this one is in Ebony. I don't have a lot of eyebrows, as you can see, but I'm going to make sure that at the end of this we have some amazing eyebrows on here, because what else can we do? So I'm just going to look down because my mirror is here, but I'm going to take a bit of that soap and then I'm just going to like literally brush it in. I don't know if you can see any difference, but, and then I'm just going to like lay it down. A lot of people like them up, but I don't like mine up, so I'm just going to literally just set them in like this. My forehead is breaking out, but it is what it is for now. I'm just gonna keep going over them till I get like, I'm gonna keep going over them till I get like the actual style that I want. Now I'm gonna quickly fill in my eyebrows. I don't really do anything too major, but I like to just go over like the hairs that I just sat down. Is it called sat down? That I just laid. Okay? And then we're just gonna fill in. You know what I like about my eyebrows? Because I'm able to just shape them however I want. Because I feel like sometimes, because I don't do my eyebrows. I haven't done my eyebrows since I was 16 years old. So it's easier to just, I can just shape them how I want. The eyebrows are filled in everything. We're going to go in with the P. Louise base in number 4. I'm telling you, P. Louise has been doing wonders, and I'm telling you, I've been seeing them all over TikTok that I want to buy every product that they have. Take my bank card, take everything, because I don't know what they do. So what I like to do is take a little bit on a brush and then literally just shape, like, you know, clean and everything, and carve like the eyebrows out. Oh, that is really bright. But anyway, we're just gonna, and then we're just gonna drag it down as well so that we can use it as like our base for our eyeshadows. But I like to use it very much for cleaning my eyebrows, because my eyebrows, all the little flyers from the bottom are so annoying. So I like to just use this one, because I'm telling you, this product has crack in it, because the way it conceals everything is crazy. Now I'm gonna quickly just blend it all in, and then we're gonna start on our eyeshadow. I don't know what I want to do with my eyeshadow, because I don't think there's like a palette that I bought from TikTok shop that I could be like, I want to use this palette, or this is like my go-to palette. There is one palette that I got, which was the Born This Way, but I don't know, we might need to just use that one. Do you see how like seamless it blends into my skin? Like, I actually love this product so much. For eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in with this Born This Way Too Faced palette. So we're gonna go in with this brown shade. You can see I'm hitting pan because I use this palette all the time. I got it from TikTok shop, and I'm telling you, this palette is so beautiful because it has all your natural colors, and then it comes with like glitter, so you can literally use this as like day and night. So you can use this in a palette in the morning, and then come home after work, put a bit of glitter in the middle, Bob's your uncle. So we're just gonna go in with that brown, and I'm just gonna just set in this specific area. Then I'm just gonna blend the harsh lines just down a little bit quickly. So after all that is blended in, I'm feeling to go in with like a pink kind of inner corner. So let's try that. I'm just gonna take a little bit on my finger, and then we're just gonna pack it on. I just want to see how that would look, which doesn't look too bad so far. And I'm just going to do it on the other side as well. Literally, I'm just winging this look because I'm not really sure what I was trying to achieve with this look. But I just wanted to show you guys like all these viral products that now we're going to go in to the actual most exciting part. This foundation, the Be Perfect Chroma Cover Foundation, the one that I got is W11. This had me in a chokehold for the last couple months. I'm telling you, one of the best. Literally, this is the only thing that I use. If it's not this one, be using the airbrush concealer by H&B Cosmetics. I'm telling you, who even goes to shops anymore to get makeup? Because that's not me anymore. So we're gonna take a couple pumps. So I'm just gonna take my beauty blender that I damped a little bit, and we're just gonna blend that all in. The way it blends into the skin as well, I'm trying to avoid the under eye because I'm going to put concealer there anyway, but the way it blends in so well and is literally full coverage, this is literally the only one that I actually kind of like reach to because it does the job for me. Why else do I need a high-end foundation now when I can pay? I got this one for £10 with like the coupons that, not coupons, why do I think coupons? The coupons. I got it with the coupons from TikTok shop. I'm telling you, those coupons, they give you so much discount that you just want to buy everything, you know. For concealer, we are going to go in with the H&B airbrush concealer. I'm telling you, this concealer is the most amazing concealer I've ever used in my life because it makes your skin look so airbrushed. It's fantastic. I need to know what Holly Boone put in this because This has me in a chokehold. I need all of them. Even if you look at the way it blends into the skin, it literally makes your under eye so airbrushed. This makes me want to like shed a tear. Like, look at the difference. Now that everything is blended in, we're gonna go in with the Made by Mitchell blush. So I got this in these mystery boxes that you get, and I paid like 10 to 20 pounds. I don't know how much it was, and this is one of the shades that I got. It's called Blend and Snatch. So I just use it for contour. So we're just gonna go in. Look at that color, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on our nose as well. It blends in as well. It blends in so beautifully. You can't even notice that I put like any contour on. You know, I was very skeptic the first time that I bought a Made by Mitchell box, because it was just products that you get and then it would be, you know, by luck that you get something good. So I was very skeptic at first when I got this, and then it was written as that it was a blush. But then obviously when I kept checking his page, he said you can use them for everything. So I was like, okay, if I can use it as a contour instead of a blush, then that would be fantastic. So since then I've been using it as a contour, and I'm telling you, flawless. The other day I made a P. Louise order for their blushes. Look at the packaging, because the packaging is absolutely beautiful. So this one is Coral Moral, so it's like a pinky reddish kind of tone. This one is Melon Mood and is like a bright pink, and this one is Oh So Spicy, and it's like a nude kind of thing. So I've been using this as like my inner lip color as well, so I'll show you guys later how I do that. So today we're going to go in with this pinky, because I feel like I just need like a pink blush tip. So it is liquidy, so I put a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to take a little bit with my finger because it's very liquidy. So I'm just going to like tap it in. Look how bright that is. But don't worry about it, we're going to just blend it in. I'm just going to put it where I want it to go, and then we're going to blend it in. Then I'm going to take my sponge, and then I'm just going to blend it in. It looks a bit bright, don't worry about it, but I'm telling you, the end result of this would, I put a little bit on my nose because I like to put a little bit on my nose for some weird reason, but we're going to just blend it all in, and then later on when we put the not the concealer, when we put the actual Made by Mitchell blush on top of it, you would see how fantastic this is going to look, literally. So now that we look like this, I'm just going to go back in with my sponge and just blend the under eye in so that we don't have creases when we're going to put our powder on it. And the product that we are going to use is the H&B Cosmetics Soft Focus Loose Powder. And this one is number 3, called Banana. That's the one we're going to be using. So I'm going to take a little bit out from here. And then what I like to use is my powder puff. These are just the basic ones, but anyway, I like to use this one. What I like to do is take a little bit on the thingy, on the powder puff, and then I'm gonna take, and then I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hands. Anyway, so that it gets rid of like the excess product that is on the powder puff, and then I'm just gonna blend that in. Look at the difference between the two. You know, I love this product so much because the way it just blurs out your under eye is literally amazing. Like, look at this. For contour powder, I haven't really found one that I really like on TikTok shop, so we are just gonna go in with my Morphe filler number 11. I'm telling you, this one does so much wonders for me. So this is the one that we're just going to use. If you do know one that is from TikTok shop, let me know, because I would love to try it. But at the moment, this is the one that I use, so we're just going to go in with that. So now for blush, we're going to go in with the Made by Mitchell blush pressed, and this one is Think Pink, and it looks like so. That is such a beautiful colour. So that's the one we're going to go in with. I'll take, it has a little bit of glitter inside it. I don't know if you guys can see, but that's the one we're going to go in with. What I like to do is I like to take it on like a brush and then just literally just pat it on. After I pat it on, I'll just like to blend it in a little bit different. So just put a little bit on my nose. I'm just gonna pat it. Don't worry if it looks crazy because I'm gonna blend this in, but this is how it's gonna start off. Then I like to just take my blending brush and then I'm just gonna buff it in. Do you see the difference? So I'm going to take a little bit of my powder again and we're just going to clean up underneath the contour like so. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Then I'm just going to clean that powder off so that we have like a proper, you know, snatch space. So I like a little bit of a brighter under eye, so I'm just going to put a little bit under the eyes and we're just going to keep blending it in. So I'm just going to blend that all in with this Vitamin E Skincare by Superdrug. I don't have any setting sprays from TikTok shop, so this is just has to do, and I'm just going to like just do this so it dries faster. So for lashes, I'm going to use these viral TikTok lashes. It gives you like the Russian look, so let me quickly put them on and show you guys. Like, look at these lashes. I'm telling you, it looks like I got them professionally done or whatever, but I'm literally so obsessed with, they're from like Amazon. I'll link it all down below anyway, don't worry. But these lashes were going crazy on TikTok and I thought, you know what, let me try. You get 8 pairs for £8. Lipstick, I don't really do much, I'm a lazy person, so I like to go in with a MAC lipstick. Which one? This one is the Antique Velvet, and then I use a NARS like pinky like gloss lip pigment. Anyway, and this one is called Get It On. So what I like to do is I just go in with the brown one and then I just literally outline. Nothing too fancy. Everyone always says to me, why don't you use a lip liner? But I don't really like a lip liner, that's my problem. I don't know what it is, but I can't do lip liners. I always lose them, so what is the point me even getting lip liners and then losing them? So after I do that, I like to let it sit a little bit so it dries a little bit, because then I'm able to put this on top and then it can just blend properly. So now that they're dried, you can already see I kind of like started a little bit, and then I just like to keep going till I get like the desired look that I'm going for. So this is the end look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there's any other specific makeup videos that you guys want to see, then let me know and I'll always recreate them. But for now, this is the end of the video and I'll see you guys in my next video.